Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My dad is watching me. Actually this is the first little clip that I'm getting, starting off like the vacation vlog, but we are in Virginia right now. We stayed over at a hotel last night because it's, I think, like close to 6 hours away from where we live. So we are heading to the Outer Banks, and that's another like 3.5 hours, I believe, from here. So we broke up the drive, stayed over here. We're in this little hotel with a little suite. But we are getting ready to head out, get some breakfast, and then hit the road. It's currently 7:20, 21, something like that, but I just wanted to start this off. First stop, Starbucks.
Unless at first you all pulled money and then, well, till you get enough and then take it out.
Pretty good. I don't know what this is. Brown sugar foam, cold brew. It is bright out. We just got here though. We are, I think this is the entire house here. This is the house. It's on this like new construction area. And yeah, we could do we could do an empty house tour before everybody else gets here. That would be cool. We might have to go up to the top. Cute little area to come out and do a little coffee in the morning. Oh, that's a pretty view.
There's a third floor.
Yeah. So the people we are staying with, they're not here yet and we can't get in yet. Apparently the house isn't ready. So I figure before everyone gets here, I'll just show you guys a little bit more. There's a lot of new construction houses, so maybe I'm hoping like we can actually, oh, this is cute. Oh, cool. I'm hoping we can like go in, because you guys know, or maybe you don't, but I love like I love architecture, decorating, and things like that. So I'd love to see the inside of those houses. But I'll show you guys. Hopefully I just don't drop my freaking camera in the pool, but this is the back of the house. So there's a terrace up there, which will be so pretty for sunsets, because I imagine the sunsets on this side. Like lots of space to get coffee. I'm so excited. There's like a little bar area out here, it looks like, for making drinks, hanging out at night. Not honestly that much space for tanning unless like you go out on the dock, but we have our own separate dock here. There's like this is the bay out here, and then this is like a little lagoon, or I don't know what you would call it, but we don't have our little pool here. I didn't know there was a hot tub, but super cute. And then yeah, all the other houses, so I'm excited to see. The inside is like, I think, modern, but in my opinion it's just not my taste. Like there's a lot of color, I don't know, it's just not my taste, but this does look like a newer house overall. Oh my god, look at the size of that spider. That's insane. It's a nice area over there. I saw this huge spider. It was a big black spider. Very nice. Lovely. Smile. I'm so excited to be able to, like, for the sunset. I would imagine the sunset's over here, like I said before. But we came to this place called Upside Down. Their food looks really good, and then the drinks, I got the Moscow Mule. This is probably one of the best meals I've ever had. I just had to notably say that. And my dad, what did you get, a blonde ale?
Something like that.
Yeah, he doesn't like any other like beers besides Miller Lite and Flight, Yingling Flight, and he likes that. So, how's yours?
Mine's good. Mine's a peach beer.
Yeah.
Mine's good.
Very good. Oh my god. Wow. This looks insane. Yours looks good too. Yours is like the perfect size for you.
Trade enough.
No. This looks good though.
Let me suck it in.
Look at how cute she looks. There's a little leopard one.
That's cute.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like these little bucket hats we got going on here. Dad. It is bright out. Yeah.
I'd love to do it, but we have no room in the car.
And we have, if we're going somewhere else. So we had lunch, which is absolutely delicious. We didn't even look it up. It was just like a hole in the wall type of place. And we ended up seeing like the other family that we're here with. Actually, he was here as well. So we've just been wandering around the little shopping center over here. What? It's kind of like a hoverboard. I don't know what they're called, but the house is still not ready yet, so we're gonna head to the brewery where everybody else is at, which is like right down the road. But it's so hot. Dad, show them your flag. Oh my god, my hair. We used to fly kites when I was little. Didn't we do it at the beach too?
All the time.
Yeah, but I don't remember too much of it. I was probably like 3 or 4 or something. But oh my god, my arm is getting tired. I got some Sunbum. I never tried the sunscreen before, and I just wanted to try it, so I got it. Okay. A little tour here. Okay. I think this is the elevator. We have bedrooms down here. We got bunk beds. Then another set of bunk beds in here. A little bar. She got the door unlocked then. We have some foosball. Bathroom. Oh, this is a movie room. We have a movie room in here. Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Right? And then this. We showed this before, but this is the back area. Dad's, of course, being put to work.
There's a hot tub too.
Oh, that's cute. Okay. Oh, so much nice. Love this. We have the porch, one of the porch areas back here. A little bathroom. Oh, that's cool.
Where are you?
Then we have another bedroom in here. I like this wicker. This is probably like old, but like now in style. Bathroom. I don't think that has a deck.
Yeah, you know what? I had one of those restaurants I worked in.
Then we have another bathroom. The living space. Probably like one of many. Bathroom. Elevator. Another master bed with a slider door. Bathroom. Oh, that's a really nice shower. Okay, wow. Another bedroom with bath. Cool. And then this is pretty cool.
Be careful of
Yeah.
water.
Oh, what's that from?
It's from this cooler.
Oh. Oh wait, but that wasn't even the main. Yeah, this is the main area up here.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay. Main living area.
Maybe a dog bed.
Beautiful dining table. Kitchen.
Almost cut.
Now I have to go back down.
This little area up here. Another bedroom with a deck. We got a deck. Pretty cool. Oh, this is like the master, I would say. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Very nice. Oh my god. Holy crap. Okay. That's insane. Then the main deck area. Pretty cool. Deep? How deep is the pool? Not deep at all, probably. Oh, it feels so nice. Mom and I, where is she? We're going grocery shopping to get stuff for the house, chicken, things for salad, stuff like that. It's still so hot out. That works. Alright, I'm trying to FaceTime Dom. He is not answering, but that is it for today's little vlog. I am going to be heading to bed because I am going to be working tomorrow and have a busy day to try and like set myself up for success for the week, but I'll be vlogging throughout the entire week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.